Noise pollution is defined as environmental noise that is annoying, distracting, or physically harmful, also called sound pollution. Noise pollution adversely affects the lives of millions of people. Studies have shown that there are direct links between noise pollution and health. Problems related to noise pollution include stress-related illnesses, high blood pressure, speech interference, hearing loss, and sleep disruption. Wow. We asked a local Boston resident her opinion on noise pollution. In your words, describe noise pollution.
Things that make like a lot of noise and like a lot of different noises like being combined.
Is it more in the city or in rural environments?
Definitely more in the city. Like the cars, and there's ambulances, and there's dogs barking, and like people partying.
Clubs and bars are fun, but they can get out of hand very quickly. Okay, get it, get it, get it, get it. Drop it low, put it in the dirt. 6 drive, put it in. The amount of noise experienced could leave you irritated the following day.
6.5 hours later.
Does noise pollution just affect people in the United States? No. Noise pollution is a worldwide problem. The European Environment Agency estimates that more than 125 million citizens are affected by noise pollution each day. The public also identifies noise pollution as one of the major environmental problems. There are a few solutions to help counteract the negative health effects of noise pollution, such as meditation and closing your blinds before you go to bed at night. Also, try and spend more time in nature away from loud industrial noises.